Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to show you a overview of my room. It is always a work in progress, so this is kind of what I have going on. I get a lot of questions to show this room like constantly, so this is what I have so far. I will do a quick overview like I normally do in my room tours, and then I'll try to go into more detail. And if you'd like specifics like makeup collection or a specific collection, just let me know in the comments. So let me do the quick overview. This is where I was standing. Okay, so I'm going to start off here at the door. Right next to the door I do have these two little wall picture frames that I've had forever. I believe Cisco bought these for me like a long time ago, and I've had them ever since. I think they're so pretty and girly. So that one has a little purse with the rhinestones, and this one has the heel. And then I have a crown right above my door, which if you follow me on TikTok, you probably have seen the crown. I bought that from the 99-cent store and I just spray painted it gold. I also spray paint a lot of my stuff. I actually paint a lot of my stuff. So I spray painted the heart hook here. And then I have some Juicy bags here. I do sell vintage Juicy Couture bags. In case you're interested, I'll have my information in the description box. I also love Betsy Johnson, so this is a little Betsy backpack. Over here I have I Believe in Pink, Audrey Hepburn sign. I got this from Five Below, I want to say last year. I don't know that they still have that. Oh, and by the way, the color of my walls, my goodness, I believe it's Sweet Pink by Valspar, and I wanted the vanity to be a darker pink, so yes, I did paint the little vanity here, and I, did all the hardware and everything myself. This giant mirror, the previous owner actually left that behind, so I thought that was very sweet of her. I think it's absolutely beautiful and I love it so much. But I do get very lucky with like the previous owners and stuff. They usually will, leave generous amounts of stuff. Okay, so here I have a little jewelry organizer. This I thrifted, and I actually showed this on my Instagram. It was like a tan color. And I decided to, actually you decided I should paint it white, because I did put a poll to see what you thought I should paint it, and most of you said white. So yeah, I painted it white. I'll show you guys up here. I have a little Santa Claus because it's gonna be Christmas here shortly, so we are in the Christmas spirit. I have some of my Ana Luisa jewelry, which I love, some little pearls. I have a little ornament, like a vintage ornament. And then this is a jewelry holder with some bracelets. And then this tray is from Dollar Tree. I spray painted that gold, and it does have a bunch of my hair accessories. And I do have a Juicy Couture watch and a bobby pin that I was wearing earlier. I also have a coaster. I put the Dollar Tree roses in there, but I'm going to use that for more of my hair accessories. And if you'd like me to go into detail with my jewelry collection, just let me know. But we're going to be moving right along to this side. My closet is kind of a disaster. I guess I can give you a sneak peek, but yeah, it's pretty crazy in here. If you don't know, I do sell on like Poshmark, Depop, and Mercari, so I have a lot of my shipping stuff in here, like my boxes, my shipping labels, paper, tape, bubble mailers, boxes, you name it. All my shipping supplies is in here. And then I have my bags in storage in these bins. These I don't believe are Juicy Couture. They're like other brands. So yeah, that is the sneak peek of the closet because it's a disaster. I need to organize it a little better. But that's what you get for right now. And then over here, I've had this forever since I used to live with my mom. I believe I did a thrifting adventure video with you. So if I find that video, I'll link it below. But yeah, I found this, which I think is like a spice rack. I really don't know. It looks like a little ladder. And I use this for my body sprays and my perfume. And like I said, I can go into detail if you would like me to. I have some purses here. These are all Betsy bags. They're so girly, feminine, and dainty, and I just love that. These little signs are from Dollar Tree, and the Happy Holidays sign is from 99-cent store. I also have this cart that I spray painted gold. It has a lot of my hair stuff and some makeup palettes down there. It's kind of a jumbled mess, to be honest. I try to organize it, but it always gets out of control. This cart is from Michael's, but it was originally teal. I spray painted it gold. Like I said, I paint everything. And I just have some like hair accessories, trash bags, and some makeup palettes down there. And then moving right along, this is my vanity. This is where I do my makeup. So we have my lion, which I've showed you before, my little spinny makeup organizer. I have my candle that I just hauled with a little gnome. Pictures of Leilani. My mirror. This actually used to be silver, but I painted it gold. I keep my lipsticks, like lip products in there. And then I found this beautiful organizer at Marshall's, and I love it. I love how that looks. I love all my makeup brushes. I'll try to link stuff down below for you guys if you're interested. I'll try to find, you know, these brushes and where I find all this stuff if you are interested in anything. And then here's my little silver Christmas tree that is really old. I actually got this from Big Lots a really long time ago, and I still have it with the pink little jewels. There's Leilani. Coasters everywhere because I always have drinks in here. And if you'd like me to do a makeup collection, let me know. Leave a comment and all of that. Here's my Christmas tree. It's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. Super girly. Let me see if I can get in a little bit closer here. Look at this truck. I showed you these new ornaments, the little trees. Here's a car. A lot of these I did DIY, like the cupcakes. Showed you Santa Claus, butterflies from Dollar Tree. They're all so pretty. Candy canes. Okay, so that's my tree. My tree is from Walmart. This is a tinsel tree. It's not very expensive. I'll try to link it below. And then I have more Betsy bags up there, some of my favorites. So pretty. I love these mini ones. And then here I have some skincare, and these are like lip pencils and stuff like that. I tried to do a miniature coffee station here with a little Keurig. There's another tree. This one is from Dollar Tree. Gnome, and look at this Hello Kitty tin. I love it so much. So girly. And just boxes in there. I do have hair stuff in here, more makeup. And over here I have nails and makeup wipes and more hair products. This is like my shipping station and I love it. Here's some of my stickers. Some of my supplies I use. A little pink tripod. This is just stuff I use on like an everyday basis, literally, like measuring tapes, scotch tape, tape, ink. I have some cute pink hearts. These are all from Dollar Tree, by the way. All these like little organizers up here in this bin. And this 3 compartment organizer is from Walmart. And I made this sign. My rose teddy bear, some flowers back there. This is like my craft bookshelf, but it's looking a little I haven't really done much over here, to be honest. So I have my Cricut and binders, my pens, stuff like that, you know. And over here I do have some more of the wall art, purses and shoes. This hanging like decorative piece right here with some more Betsy bags. Let me show you over here. So this is my Hutch Craigslist for very inexpensive. I think this was $80 or something. And I painted it white, and I did do the gold hardware. Like my juicy bags. So I think you've seen this for the most part. So I'll do a quick overview of this. Very cute. Love it so much. So yeah. And here's the Once Upon a Time banner that I hauled from Dollar Tree. I also have a stocking up here. Christmas stocking. Forgot to show you that. And the little curtain rod I actually spray painted as well. So that is it. That concludes this room tour. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, I'll try to link as much as I can down below so it's easy for you to find. Or if you have any questions or anything, let me know. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!